Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best Radico Color Me Organic Hair Color is probably one of the most sought-after hair coloring solutions for those seeking vibrant, long-lasting color without compromising on hair health, offering a unique blend of natural ingredients that nourish and protect your strands while delivering stunning, salon-quality results that are gentle on both your hair and the environment. Number 5. Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kit, 6 NCG Sardinia Red. Discover the brilliance of Madison Reed's Radiant Hair Color Kit. Achieve stunning, dimensional color with ease. This shade, 6 NCG Sardinia Red, offers beautiful copper tones for a truly captivating look. It's a permanent hair dye designed for superior results. Worried about grays? This formula provides excellent coverage, ensuring a seamless blend with your natural hair color. Experience rich, multi-dimensional color that looks and feels natural. It enhances your hair's inherent beauty. Our PPD-free and ammonia-free formula is gentle on your scalp and hair. Enjoy a comfortable coloring experience without harsh chemicals. Everything you need is in one convenient pack. Transform your hair and embrace a radiant new you. What we like? This option offers a premium, gentle coloring experience. It's ammonia-free and PPD-free, making it ideal for sensitive scalps. If you are looking for superior gray coverage with a rich, dimensional color without harsh chemicals, this is a great choice. What people say? This is a good product. It is easy to use and the color is vibrant. I love this hair color. It is made with organic ingredients and does not contain any harsh chemicals. The color lasted for a long time and did not fade easily. Number 4. Herbish Magic Hair Color Shampoo. Tired of gray hairs showing? Introducing a revolutionary solution that transforms your look in just minutes. Get ready to embrace vibrant, youthful hair effortlessly. Watch as your hair color is revitalized in a matter of minutes. This innovative shampoo works quickly to cover grays, giving you a fresh, new appearance without the wait. Enjoy a rich, beautiful hair color that lasts. Our formula is designed for durability, ensuring your stunning shade stays vibrant day after day. Experience the convenience of a 3-in-1 product. It colors, conditions, and cleanses your hair, simplifying your beauty routine while delivering exceptional results. We care about your hair's health. That's why our shampoo is ammonia-free, providing a gentle yet effective coloring experience for both women and men. Achieve a natural-looking, deep dark brown hue. This shade is perfect for those seeking a classic and sophisticated hair color that enhances their natural beauty. What we like? Experience a revolutionary way to color your hair quickly and easily. This shampoo-based dye colors in minutes and acts as a 3-in-1 product. If you need a fast, convenient solution for gray hair and want a long-lasting color, this is perfect for busy individuals. What people say? This is a good product for coloring hair. It is easy to use and gives good results. Number 3. Herbatint Permanent Hair Dye, 6N Dark Blonde. Discover the secret to vibrant, natural-looking hair color. This permanent hair dye offers exceptional results for a salon-quality finish at home. Tired of stubborn grays? Our advanced formula is designed to provide complete coverage, even for resistant gray hair. You can finally say goodbye to unwanted gray strands. Experience hair coloring without the harsh chemicals. This product is ammonia-free and alcohol-free, making it a gentler choice for your hair and scalp. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our hair dye is proudly vegan and never tested on animals. It's a conscious choice for ethical beauty. Get that professional salon look you love. This shade, 6N Dark Blonde, is inspired by salon trends, delivering beautiful, nuanced color. Ensure you always have your favorite shade on hand. This convenient pack includes 2 bottles, so you can maintain your gorgeous look for longer. What we like? Achieve salon-quality color with excellent gray coverage, even for stubborn gray hairs. It is formulated to be ammonia-free, alcohol-free, and vegan. If you have resistant gray hair and prefer a plant-based, gentle formula for a natural-looking result, consider this option. What people say? This is a good product for coloring hair. It is a natural product and does not contain any chemicals. Number 2. dpHUE Gloss Plus Light Brown Hair Color. Is your hair color fading? Bring back its vibrancy and shine with this innovative hair gloss. It's designed to boost your current shade and restore its beautiful tone. Enjoy beautiful color that lasts. Each bottle provides multiple applications, giving you salon-quality results at home. You'll love how it keeps your hair looking fresh. Experience color that stands up to washing. This formula is designed to maintain its richness for up to 8 washes, ensuring your look stays vibrant longer. Achieve stunning results without leaving your home. This gloss is simple to apply, making it easy to refresh your look whenever you desire. Specifically formulated for light brown hair, it enhances your natural shade. Get ready to see a richer, more luminous version of your own color. Get more value with 8 to 12 applications per bottle. This means you can maintain your gorgeous hair color for longer, making it a smart choice for your beauty routine. What we like. Revitalize your hair color between salon visits with this gloss treatment. It boosts fading color and lasts for several washes, offering multiple applications per bottle. If you want to enhance your current hair color, add shine, and extend its vibrancy without a permanent commitment, this is the product for you. What people say. This is a good product for coloring hair. It is easy to use and provides good coverage. The color lasts for a long time and does not fade easily. Number 1. NATURCOLOR Light Pomegranate Chestnut Hair Dye. Discover the rich, vibrant color you've been dreaming of. Our formula provides long-lasting results that truly shine. Infused with nourishing ingredients, this hair dye not only colors but also cares for your hair. Experience a healthier look and feel after every use. Achieve salon-quality results at home with our easy-to-use formula. The smooth application ensures even coverage for a flawless finish. Embrace the beautiful shade of light pomegranate chestnut. This unique hue offers a warm and captivating tone that complements many complexions. We've crafted this dye to be gentle on your strands. Enjoy beautiful color without compromising the health and integrity of your hair. Watch your hair transform with enhanced shine and incredible vibrancy. It's the perfect way to refresh your look and boost your confidence. What we like. Discover a hair color that uses natural ingredients for a vibrant and gentle coloring experience. It provides beautiful color while being kind to your hair and scalp. If you prioritize natural ingredients and seek a rich, long-lasting color that nourishes your hair, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a good product for coloring hair. It is a natural product and does not contain any harmful chemicals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.